Every day, seniors silently suffer from tingling fingers and weak legs. But what if it's not just aging? And what if you could start feeling a difference in just 2 weeks? Forget expensive medications or complicated procedures. Simple, science-backed changes to your daily routine can transform your nerve health. We want to help you with real tips that work, proven by science. To stay strong and independent after 60, take Robert, a 67-year-old who struggled to hold his coffee mug. After one nightly habit, revealed later, he was gardening again in just 2 weeks. That's the kind of change we're talking about. Let's dive into the 7 proven ways to reverse tingling and weakness. So, what's the single most effective method for soothing those agitated nerves and restoring a sense of calm and well-being? What's the one thing you can incorporate into your daily routine that can make a tangible difference in how your nerves feel and function? The answer lies in a powerful compound known as alpha-lipoic acid, often abbreviated as ALA. It's a naturally occurring substance with remarkable properties. ALA is a potent antioxidant, and it's naturally present in various foods, including vibrant green spinach. You can also find it in other healthy vegetables like broccoli, but to achieve the levels needed for therapeutic benefits, especially in addressing nerve health, supplements are often the most effective route. ALA doesn't just act as a shield to protect your nerves from damage. It goes a step further by actively helping to regenerate them, supporting the natural healing processes within your body. And it plays a vital role in improving blood flow, which is absolutely crucial for reducing those uncomfortable sensations of tingling and numbness that can often plague individuals with nerve issues. Numerous studies have demonstrated that ALA can dramatically improve nerve function, enhancing the speed and efficiency of nerve signal transmission. And the best part is, many people experience a noticeable reduction in their symptoms in as little as 2 weeks of consistent use. Consistency is absolutely key to unlocking the full potential of ALA. Make taking ALA a nightly habit, integrating it seamlessly into your evening routine. This allows your body to focus on repairing and rejuvenating your nerves while you sleep, maximizing the benefits of this powerful antioxidant. Think of ALA as a master electrician, diligently working behind the scenes, carefully repairing your nerve's protective coating, the myelin sheath, which is essential for proper nerve function. And it's not just about repair. ALA also plays a role in boosting their power supply, ensuring they have the energy they need to function optimally. While incorporating more ALA-rich foods into your diet is certainly beneficial, supplements are often needed to reach the therapeutic doses required to address significant nerve-related issues. As with any supplement, it's always wise to consult your doctor first, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions or are taking other medications. The best part of incorporating ALA into your routine: many people report feeling a noticeable difference in their nerve health and overall well-being in just 14 days of consistent use. This isn't some fleeting miracle cure or a temporary fix. It's the result of solid scientific research and the power of a naturally occurring compound working in harmony with your body. So start tonight, and you could be well on your way to experiencing stronger, steadier hands and legs, and a renewed sense of confidence in your movements. Give your nerves the support they need to heal, to regenerate, and to function at their best. Small changes in your daily routine can lead to big, transformative results in your overall health and well-being. Are you ready to take the next step on your journey to better nerve health and a more vibrant life? Let's keep going, exploring more ways to support your body and reclaim your well-being. Let's move on to another crucial nutrient in our arsenal for nerve health. Number 2 on our list is vitamin B12. This vitamin is absolutely essential for the health and integrity of your nerves, specifically for the protective myelin sheath that surrounds them. Think of the myelin sheath as the insulation around an electrical wire. It ensures that nerve signals transmit efficiently and effectively. The challenge is that as we age, our ability to absorb B12 from food sources tends to decrease. This is often due to changes in stomach acid production, which is necessary for B12 absorption. This decline in absorption can occur even if you maintain a good balanced diet rich in B12 sources. A B12 deficiency can manifest in various ways, one of the most common being tingling sensations, particularly in the hands and feet. You might also experience muscle weakness, making everyday tasks more challenging, and persistent fatigue, leaving you feeling drained and lacking energy. The good news is that numerous studies confirm that correcting a B12 deficiency through diet or supplementation can effectively halt and, in some cases, even reverse existing nerve damage, allowing for improved nerve function and reduced discomfort. So, what are the best dietary sources of B12? Primarily, animal products such as fish are excellent sources. Eggs and dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt. If you follow a plant-based diet, it's crucial to look for foods that have been fortified with B12. Given the absorption challenges, many seniors find that supplements or even B12 shots are necessary to achieve real and noticeable results. The best course of action is to ask your doctor for a simple blood test to determine your B12 levels. It's also worth noting that B12 often works synergistically with other B vitamins, enhancing its effectiveness. For this reason, a B-complex supplement containing a range of B vitamins may be an ideal choice. So don't ignore those persistent tingling sensations or unexplained weakness. Sometimes, these symptoms are simply your body's way of asking for more B12, signaling an underlying deficiency. Addressing this one seemingly small deficiency could potentially restore your strength, improve your sensation, and revitalize your overall well-being. So take action today. Get tested, know your levels, and give your nerves the essential support they need to function optimally and keep you feeling your best. Next, let's talk about a mineral that plays a vital role in calming your nerves and muscles, promoting relaxation and overall nerve health. Number 3 on our list of essential nutrients is magnesium, a true powerhouse when it comes to supporting your overall well-being, often referred to as the relaxation mineral, and for very good reason. Magnesium plays a crucial role in calming nerves, helping to soothe that feeling of being constantly on edge. It also eases muscle cramps, those painful and unwelcome spasms that can disrupt your day or night. And it helps restless legs by regulating nerve signals, providing relief from that uncomfortable urge to move your legs, especially when you're trying to relax or sleep. Magnesium helps ensure smooth communication between your brain and your muscles. Unfortunately, magnesium deficiency is common, often due to dietary factors or certain health conditions, and this deficiency can lead to overactive, stressed nerves and tight muscles, contributing to feelings of anxiety and discomfort. Research shows magnesium protects nerves from overstimulation and pain, acting as a natural shield against excessive nerve activity. It helps maintain a healthy balance, preventing nerves from firing too rapidly or intensely. To boost your magnesium intake, focus on incorporating top sources into your diet. This includes leafy greens like spinach and kale, nuts such as almonds and cashews, seeds like pumpkin and sunflower seeds, legumes including beans and lentils, whole grains such as brown rice and quinoa, and of course avocados. If symptoms persist despite dietary changes, supplements like magnesium glycinate, which is known for its high absorption rate, or Epsom salt baths can help, as the magnesium is absorbed through the skin. However, it's always best to consult your doctor for the best option, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Epsom salt baths offer immediate relief, providing a soothing and relaxing experience. They also promote deep relaxation, supporting nerve repair overnight, allowing your body to heal and rejuvenate while you sleep. Start by adding magnesium-rich foods to your meals, making small but consistent changes to your daily eating habits. If you still have symptoms, talk to your healthcare provider about supplements, exploring all available options to find the right solution for you. Don't underestimate this simple mineral. It's a vital nutrient that can have a profound impact on your health. Restoring magnesium could be your key to relief, unlocking a greater sense of calm, comfort, and overall well-being. Now let's move from nutrition to movement, exploring the importance of physical activity in maintaining a healthy and fulfilling life. Number 4, gentle leg stretches. They boost blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your nerves. Poor circulation starves nerves, causing tingling and numbness. Stretching acts like a traffic cop, clearing congestion and relieving nerve compression. Studies show regular stretching improves blood flow and flexibility, supporting nerve health. Try these. Calf stretch against a wall, hamstring stretch on the floor, and ankle circles while seated. Hold each stretch for 30 seconds, repeat daily, and keep movements gentle. 5 to 10 minutes a day is enough. Consistency matters more than intensity. Make stretching part of your morning or evening routine. Improved blood flow means healthier, happier nerves. Ready for another powerful strategy? Number 5. Omega-3 fatty acids, your best defense against nerve-damaging inflammation. Chronic inflammation harms nerves and worsens tingling and pain. Omega-3s, especially EPA and DHA from fatty fish, reduce inflammation and help nerves heal. Studies show omega-3s can even promote nerve regeneration. Eat smash fish, salmon, mackerel, anchovies, sardines, herring, 2 to 3 times a week. Not a fish fan? Try flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, or a quality fish oil or algae oil supplement. Check labels for EPA and DHA content. Aim for at least 500 milligrams daily. Reduce omega-6s from processed foods to maximize benefits. Shift your body from inflamed to healing. Your nerves will thank you. Let's keep building your nerve health toolkit. Number 6, a daily walk. It's simple, free, and incredibly effective for circulation and nerve health. Walking pumps blood through your legs, delivering nutrients and oxygen to nerve endings. Studies show regular walking improves blood vessel health and lowers blood pressure. Start with 10-15 minutes a day at your own pace. Make it a daily habit, morning or evening, whatever fits your routine. Gradually increase time or intensity as you get stronger. Wear comfortable, supportive shoes to protect your feet. Walking also controls blood sugar, reduces stress, and boosts your mood. It's a holistic therapy for your whole body. Take that first step, literally, towards stronger, healthier nerves. Number 7, hydration and electrolytes, the foundation of nerve health. Your nerves need water and minerals like sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium to transmit signals. Dehydration and electrolyte imbalance cause weak, erratic nerve signals, leading to tingling and cramps. Aim for pale yellow urine as a hydration guide. Get electrolytes from foods, bananas, avocados, sweet potatoes, leafy greens, and a pinch of sea salt. Skip sugary sports drinks. Make your own with water, a pinch of salt, and a squeeze of lemon. Hydration supports every other strategy. It helps nutrients work, improves blood flow, and flushes out inflammation. Keep a water bottle handy and sip throughout the day. This simple habit can make a big difference in your nerve health. There you have it. 7 science-backed ways to fight tingling weakness and restless feet. Change is possible. Start with 1 or 2 strategies that resonate with you. Your body can heal when given the right tools. Consistency is key. Don't let symptoms control your life. You have the power to rebuild strength and comfort. Which symptom challenges you most? Numb hands, weak legs, or restless feet? Share in the comments. Subscribe for more practical senior health tips. Stay healthy, stay strong, and see you in the next video.